I feel like I look like a cotton candy princess. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be taking a break from the prom series and we are going to unbox our monthly BoxyCharm. So if you guys are excited to see this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you wanna see what we got inside this box this month, then let's go ahead and get started. So I've opened it just to see what's in it. That's why my face looks a little weird, because we're going to be putting on whatever is in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we've got in here. Also, I'm watching my friend's dog this week, and so I'm in a different filming setup. As you can see, it's probably echoey. I can't really do anything about it, but so I have like a really weird setup where I like can't even like really move. So this month's theme is Vacation. Super cute little card. Yeah, that's this month's theme. So the first thing that I see in the box is this 3-set brush, and we are gonna be using this with the Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that they collaborated with BoxyCharm and created this eyeshadow palette. So I'm so excited to use this, and the colors in this palette are absolutely stunning. I've actually already swatched them, but I have not used them on my eyes because I could not resist. It's got this little plastic thing on it that I've taken off, but look at these eyeshadows. Like I'm so excited to use these in this video. So we're gonna work with these brushes. If I need to use some others, I'll just pull some of my own out, but we're gonna try and use this brush set with these eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these brushes. Let's show you the brushes really quickly too. So you get 3 brushes, and you've got kind of like a fluffy packer brush. It's not super dense or anything like that. We've got like a angled, does it say what they are? Oh, they've got steps on them. Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go. Anyway, so we've got these 3. This is a little like smudger brush. Anyway, we're gonna try and work with these brushes. They're a little odd, I feel like, for eyeshadow, but we're gonna work with them anyway. I'm actually gonna take this first color right here, and I'm gonna take this shader brush. It looks like a fluffy shader brush, and I'm just gonna take this first shadow and place it all over my lid. This color is, for me, this color is a little dark for my eyelid because I'm, once again, pale as paper, but that's all right. So next, I'm gonna try and use this brush as like a blending brush, but I don't really see how this will be used as, I guess we can try. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the second shade. It's called Naked, and I'm gonna try and fluff that out in my crease. It puts it into the crease fine. It just like covers too much of a wide radius almost for me. Oh, but this color is so beautiful and it blends out so easy. That's another thing about Pure Cosmetics eyeshadows. They are like the most pigmented eyeshadows you'll ever try. They've come in BoxyCharm before, and they're almost too pigmented. This one seems a lot less, but it's still a lot, if that makes sense. I'm actually gonna try and use one of my blending brushes for the other eye really quickly. I'm gonna take my handy dandy Wet n Wild crease brush. This thing has been through it. I'm also trying to hurry up and film because American Idol comes on at 8 o'clock, and my friend is on it this year, and I hope they show his audition because, I mean, obviously I'm a fangirl because it's my friend. Okay, so that color looks great, and it blended out like a dream. I'm actually gonna take the shade right next to it. It's called Belle. I'm gonna take this shade. They're a little powdery, but nothing I really care about. Okay, I'm gonna blend that into the crease as well. This color is really similar to Naked, but it's just a little more pink. So pretty. There is a little bit of fallout coming down right here into my inner corner and on my lower, like under my eye, but nothing I can't just wipe off. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to use Bay or if I want to use the teal. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with BFF, and then I'm gonna put Bay on the lid, and then I'm gonna put Mia on the lower lash line. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this purple named BFF, and I'm gonna put this in my crease just a little bit lower. someone was trying to open the door. Okay, I'm living for this eye look. I'm losing a little bit of the transitions in this side. Not sure why that's happening. Okay, so now that we've got that BFF shade on our crease, I'm just gonna take Bay, this color, on my finger and put it on my lid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm getting quite a bit of fallout even with my finger, so that is one downside, but the upside, look at my eye. I'm shook. Okay, let me do the other eye really quickly and then we'll do the lower lash line. I mean, the fallout is kind of ridiculous. It's a lot of fallout. Bella. Bella boo. She's so sweet. Okay, so we have both eyelids done. So now we're gonna take the final brush that we got in our set, and I'm gonna take this and hopefully apply Mia to the lower lash line. I think it's going to get messy, so I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus. I actually don't have any of my Fix Plus near me, so I'm just gonna try and press this into the lower lash line. Okay, so I've applied that. Oh my gosh, I have my name tag on. Did I have this on the whole time? Did you guys not tell me? I just got it on my nose. Okay, so I've just applied the blue to my waterline, and although it was a little flaky and it had a little bit of fallout, it's really not that bad. So I am overall super duper impressed with this palette. I'm gonna be using it a lot. I mean, it's just got the most beautiful colors in it. This color especially. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. I love it. Anyway, so yes, this palette is a win. Oh, let me tell you the price. I'll do the price of anything. This is just our first product. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, so the pure eyeshadow palette is $36. The makeup brush set, the smoky eye makeup brush set, is $23.15. That's so specific. Let's move on to the next product that will go right after eyes, which is this Iconoclast Mega Volume Lacquer Mascara from Butter London. And this is what it looks like. It reminds me a lot of the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. And okay, so I'm just gonna apply this to my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Oh, look at this wand. I don't know if I like that. This blue eyeshadow legit got everywhere. Okay, so this is one layer. I'm gonna let this dry and try and build it up. This doesn't seem like it's gonna be one that builds up. If it does, it's just gonna become really clumpy. It's like super wet and like the bristles are super lengthening, but at the same time, they don't like separate your lashes as much as they want. They almost kind of like diminishes them and makes them all like become, a lot of them stick together so it looks like you have less lashes. Does that make sense? Oh no. Okay, so this is getting much too clumpy for my liking. I try to build it up, but it just kind of clumps together and now they're becoming very spattery, so I'm just gonna stop where I'm at. So yeah, I do like the mascara, but it's not my favorite of all time. Okay, so the next product that we have, oh wait, let me tell you how much this was. This video is all over the place. This mascara was $20. So, yep, that's basically the price of the box right there. So the next product is a Pretty Vulgar blush, in the color, in the shade, Make Them Blush. This is very purpley pink and I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna try it anyway. It kind of goes with the eyes, this pink color. So let me grab my one and only blush brush, and I'm very lightly, I'm kind of scared, I'm very lightly gonna dip into this and apply this to the cheeks. I'm also not a big fan of matte blushes. I really like shimmery blushes. I have texture all over my face, but I still love a shimmery blush. So the Pretty Vulgar blush retails for $26. Okay, so the last and final product that we have in the box this month is the South Main 3 eye gel packs, and these retail for $10. It says under eye gels are great for an easy mask without cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply some highlight really quickly and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, that is all of the products that were in this month's BoxyCharm, and I just did the math, and in this box this month you get over $115 worth of makeup, and it's just such a great box. It's $21 a month and it is just way worth the price, and I think that this really made the box this month. It is an incredible palette with a little bit of fallout. I mean, I had blue everywhere on my face after I like actually inspected my face when I was doing the rest of my makeup, but I mean, honestly, like, it is such good quality. Even that, I would just do my eyes first. You know, the fallout is bad, but just do your eyes first, it won't be a problem. And these colors are just incredible. They're so, I feel like they're so different and they're so summer appropriate, so that's a really cool thing that we got in the box. I also do like the mascara. I would just probably do that on more natural days and just do one coat of it. Under eye gels, I'm not sure how they work, but I'm sure they'll be fine. Not a fan of this shade of this blush, but I'm sure I mean, the formula was fine. It's a little pigmented, so just be really light-handed with it. And what is the last thing? Oh, the brushes. And the last thing is these brushes. The smudger brush was fine, the packing brush was fine. They're just not brushes I feel like I'll reach for. I'll probably reach for the smudger brush actually, but the other two I just feel like are kind of almost not useful. I might use this one for a nose contour if I ever do a nose contour. Like, I don't really do it ever, so. But yes, this is a really great box this month. $115 worth of makeup in this box. You always get at least $100 of stuff. Like, it's so worth your money. And you get to try out a lot of cool brands that maybe you hadn't heard of before. And yeah, it's just a great monthly subscription box, and I highly recommend it to any of you. It's the best one out there. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!